y'all? Welcome to another episode of This Old Shack. I'm Azalea, and this is my YouTube channel, WayCrunchy. I feel better. Y'all know I had coronavirus. I feel better today. This is day 10 since I started having symptoms, and I feel for real better today. On day 6, I felt better. It wasn't real. I think day 10 feeling better will be the real deal. In the last video, I had everyone's favorite boy, my son Tom, in the video with me, and he expressed how he wished that he had his own bedroom. And you know, my kids share a room, and you know, there was some sympathy towards the boy. I have no sympathy towards the boy, not even a little. If I was not in a relationship with John, I would be living in a one-room yurt with both my children. I do not believe that houses, and I think that our culture lives too big, right? And all of these, you know, suburban new builds are built around the idea that children get their own bedrooms. Not that into it. So I have no sympathy. You know, think about changing body privacy. We achieve that. We definitely achieve that. You know, in the little barn we live in now, we have half the space we will have at this house. And the kids' room is half this size. And like here, the bathroom is right outside of their room. They go, they take their showers, they take their baths, they change in there. It's like living in a dorm room. Okay, so like, you know, when I was in college, we had little bunk rooms we shared, and we went to the shower and changed, you know. Anyway, this is going to be a huge upgrade for Tom moving here. This is going to be a huge upgrade for Z. And one thing that will be upgraded for them in this space is that they will have much more personal space. Z's going to have her own desk. Tom's going to have his own desk. They have their own beds on different sides and their own workstations and their own bulletin boards. And so they'll be able to express themselves and have a sense of their own space. And then a much larger place in the middle, playing Legos, that kind of thing. So this will be a big upgrade for them. Don't y'all worry about them children. I have something special that will help carve out Zinnia's own space. Something I splurged on. It's not that big of a splurge. I think it was maybe $39. But I have her a canopy for her bed. And I brought over some stuff that I'm going to be using to decorate her area. Her favorite color is blue like frozen. So this is a green room, but her little area is going to have a lot of blue accents. So it's going to be a lot of blue and green up in here. Oh my God, y'all, this is really cute. It's much more tent-ish than I thought it was gonna be. And Zinnia loves a tent. She slept in one of those little pop-up cheap kids tents on top of her bed for months. She loves a tent. I didn't know how much tent-ish it was gonna be. So, girlfriend wants privacy. Girlfriend can have privacy. I like the color. I like the style. I might have to iron it. I'm probably gonna leave it hanging up just to see if some of the wrinkles fall out. If not, I'll iron this. I think it's cotton. It needs to be moved back though. It needs to be moved back towards this wall, so let's do that. Alright, you're starting to see where this is actually going to be a room with like some cool decor. The pale sagey green of the canopy really bridges the gap between the gray floor, green wall, blue ceiling. It's kind of perfect. So over on this wall, I want to give Z some storage. I got a couple of shelves I think might work good. And then this little guy is going to be for something really special for Z to display. So any of the shelves that are going up, I'm going to spray paint white. So don't worry about the color.